Welcome to Moo Moo Math and Science. In this video, let's go over how to simplify square root 2000. And the first thing we need to do is go ahead and find all the prime numbers that multiply to make up 2000. And I like to use a factor tree. So let's go ahead and begin with it's divisible by 100. So I'm going to go 20 times 100. So let's next focus on 20. We have 5 times 4. 5 is prime, and then 2 times 2 is 4. So we're down to prime numbers for 20. Now with 100, we can go 4 times 25. Then 4 is 2 times 2, and they're all prime. And then 25 is 5 times 5. So we're down, by the way, that is a 5. It's a terrible 5. So we're down to all prime numbers. Next, what we'll do is let's go ahead and write all these prime numbers under a square root sign because it's a square root. So we have 1, 2, 3 5s. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4 2s. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, since it's a square root, we can pull out pairs. So here's a pair of 5s. And here's a pair of 2s. And one more pair of 2s. And then we have 1 5 left underneath. So now what we can do is multiply these numbers together. 5 times 2 is 10, and then 10 times 2 is 20. And we have square root 5. So square root 2000 simplified is 20 square root 5. I hope that was helpful.